What's up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for the fill. 1 second. Sorry about that. What up, Cheeks? Thanks for your assistance, as always, good sir. All right, we'll start with the retail 2021, end with the black.
No problem.
No problem. Good luck. This is not the Fanatics exclusive. Just a regular old Target. We'll be on at 8 p.m. Central, about 2 hours for baseball night on Whatnot. Got some Bowman Sterling. Got a bunch of stuff. Alright, good luck. Robinson, Ridley, what is this backwards? Hey, an autograph for the Jags. Kaylan Chasen, Ascension rookie auto. Not bad. Hits are not guaranteed. Parsons, Najee, Parsons, and a pink Justin Fields. Brett's got a mini up for a basketball mixer. Looks like it might break tomorrow. This will be my last break until Sunday, except for Whatnot tonight. Going on a mini vacation. We got Darren Waller, Baker, Eli. We got Waddle, Kyle Pitts on the Flux Hollow, DJ Moore pink, and Kellen Mond pink. Piles. Well, it's out of sorts today. I will get these sorted tomorrow, though. I am coming to the shop for a little bit before I leave for vacation. I'll make sure everything is out for local pickup. Deontay, Mixon. We got a Mac on the Dynagon. We got Jamar Chase, Magnitude, Keenan Allen, and Jamar Chase pink. What? The mixer is select basketball, and I forgot what else. Sicky, Swift, Brady, Damie Brown, Zach Wilson on the Clear Vision, Terrace Marshall, CeeDee Lamb. Gonna rip these and top load those. Got us a Taylor. Daryl Jacobs, Pitts. We'll top load more when I sort. Waddle, Davis Mills paying the bills. P. Ryan pink. Mooney, Debo, Nico, Zach Wilson on the Flux. Some issues down there. Ian Book. Devonta Smith and Cousins on the pink. Not bad. Got an auto. Autos are pretty rare in those. Looking forward to baseball night. Zach Wilson needs to play better. Select. If we can get a tie-dye. Tie-dyes come up in these, not often, but they're not that uncommon. It's a 25 tie-dyes. I'll probably see if Mike can put up some breaks this weekend and I can rip Sunday. Debo, Stokes, Kyler on the numbers, Devonta Smith. Pitts, Ridley, ETN, Melvin Gordon. Tri-color action. This guy is finally showing skill. Injured all last year, slow start. Been holding him for a while. About to pay off. Terrace Marshall. Stafford, Jamar Chase on the certified, and C-Mac. Darden, and we got a hit. Devonta Smith on the rookie patch red. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Justin Fields, premier level try. He was Mills. Not sure what to put up. I know I'm going to do a mixer, a football mixer, to fill on, to rip on Sunday. Maybe a baseball one too. I'm not sure what. Just about out of Sterling. We'll probably be out by tonight. Kylan Hill, Rondell Moore, Josh Palmer, Kirk Cousins. This guy's pretty good. Maybe update. So basey. DK, Wentz, Najee on the turbocharge, and Sharp. Well, let's do Origins, Black Origins. How about that? Good luck. This product has been very, very nice. Tomorrow, I think they'll be doing more of it on Whatnot. Playing baseball. We had Loop for a little bit today. Did a few packs of stuff. It was fun. Had to hang out. There wasn't many people. Loop needs a lot of work. Don't really have a huge client list, but they could. Could eventually. First one out for the Colts, Michael Pittman on the orange to 199. ¿Qué pasa, mi amigo? We got Watson for the Browns to 299. ¿Qué tal? Our base, Goddard and Scary Terry. We'll top load those. Our patch, going to the Chiefs to 75, Sky Moore. Not bad. First auto. Not bad at all. Going to the Jets. Sauce Gardner on card autograph. Not numbered. Nice hit, Jets. Got a very nice one coming up next. Very nice. Very nice hit. Very nice. How about Bailey Zappi? Nice hit for the Patriots. I think that was Doug. Nice hit, Doug. Bailey Zappi with the not numbered RPA. Nice hit. Let's do black and then finish on Origins. Right on its face. The Punisher in the house. In the hizzy. Our numbered card. Kyle Phillips, rookie to 35 for the Titans. And our base is rookie Kevin Harris for the Patriots. Patch. Futuristic Sky Moore to 125. We do have a redemption coming up for our RPA. Sky Moore for the Chiefs. Nice little rookie patch. Our first hit. Going to the Saints. Nice hit. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Where they at? Where they at? Justin. Nice hit. Chris Olave. 11 of 50. Nice hit on the swirl rookie auto. Nice hit, sir. And redemption. Be a good one. Rookie signature materials. Card 32. Kyle Hamilton. Ravens on the board. Alright, last pack mojo. Luis, you coming on for some baseball tonight? Hit you some bangers. First numbered card, Austin Eckler to 75 for the Chargers. For the Vikes, Kirk Cousins to $2.99 on the red. Our base, Michael Thomas for the Saints, and Aiden Hutchinson rookie for the Lions, non-variation. Nice hit. Alright, a patch. Going to the Bills, Rise to the Hall, Thurman Thomas. Hall of Fame patch to 99. Player worn. First autograph. Going to the Commanders. Nice hit. Brian Robinson Jr. on-card rookie ink, not numbered. Commanders. And an RPA. Going to the Patriots again. Doug is feasting. Nice hit. Pierre Strong Jr. on the not numbered RPA. I think I like your other one better. This one's not bad either, though. Alright, let's do a recap. I'm going to get home, eat, and be live on Whatnot. On vacation time. Yeah, Josh Palmer on the club level try. Jamar Chase certified. Fields on the premier level try. ETN Concourse try. Clear Vision Zach. Chronicles T-Law. Luminance Davis Mills. Wilson on the Flux. Mac on the Dynagon. Chase on the Magnitude. Chase on the Pink Foil. Luminance. Pitts on the Flux Hollow. Fields on the Panini Canvas Pink. Hutchinson rookie. Cousins to 299. Eckler to 75. Kevin Harris base rookie Patriots. Kyle Phillips to 35 for the Titans. Watson to 299 for the Browns. And Pittman to 199 for the Colts. Hits. A couple bonus hits. Sauce Gardner autograph on card for the Jets. Sky Moore to 75 rookie patch. Chiefs. Devonta Smith rookie patch. Red Prism not numbered. Eagles. Keelavon Chasen from the Blaster Ascension rookie autograph for the Jags. Pierce Strong Jr. RPA. Pats. Brian Robinson Jr. on card. Commanders. Rise to the Hall Thurman player worn. Bills. Kyle Hamilton RPA Redemption. Ravens. Olave to 50 for the Saints. Futuristic Moore to 125. And of course Bailey Zappi. Nice RPA. Patriots. We're not getting a booklet yet. We gotta be due. Alright guys, much appreciated. I'm gonna head home and get ready for some Whatnot. Baseball night. Join us. Thanks guys.